In today's video, I will tell you how you add Google Analytics code inside Blogger. First, open Google Analytics or create a Google Analytics account. And start measuring. Account name. For this blogger, we create this analytics account. Okay. PHP technical and framework. Then next, property name. And reporting time changes. India. And currency. Indian rupees. And next. Then industry category. Select one. Here my others. And next, business size. Small, 1 to 10 employee. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? First one, click measure customer engagement with my site or app. And next, create. Let's change the United Kingdom, India. And I accept. Time. Now save. Choose a platform. Click the web. And next is website URL. Only input domain name. And stream name PHP technical framework. Then next, create stream. First, we see stream ID status. Okay. Next is global site tag. Okay. Click this one and copy. Then log in your blogger section and go to theme. Then customize and edit HTML. Now this analytics code paste on header section. Copy the global site tag into the head section of your HTML. Okay. Then paste here. Okay. And save this. Then next is report. and this way you can add Google Analytics code in your Blogger website. And I'll show in the next video how you can share access to particular domain to any user. Thank you.